How to add another account on your WhatsApp. What's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to easily add another account on your WhatsApp. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Let's begin. First thing first, you'll have to open up your WhatsApp, and from here, you just tap on the three lines at the top right corner and just tap on the settings icon. Now from here, you will find your account right here, and you will see this little plus icon indicating to add another account. Or if you don't see this plus icon, you can just tap on this account section and then tap on this add account. Once you do so, you will have this option to add your account. And once you tap on it, just tap on agree and continue. Tap on allow or don't allow, depending on your choice. And from here, you can just enter your phone number, tap on next, enter the OTP code, and you can switch between your accounts easily. That's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.